Before we unbox this, I just want to give a big shout out to Malcolm Walker, a fellow YouTuber and a Sony fan just like me. Check out his channel and subscribe. Thanks guys, and thank you bro. Let's see what we got. I have no idea, it's a total surprise, but I'm guessing it's a Sony. And here's a note from Malcolm. Dear STE, sorry to dump some old junk on you, but I thought you might enjoy some of this. Feel free to discard if necessary, as most of this was saved from the trash to make it to you. I hope you get some enjoyment from unboxing this, and we will be in touch soon. Thanks, Malcolm Walker. Alright, let's continue. And here we got, I guess this is a streaming device from Sony that will connect to your PC so you can watch some TV. By the way, I'll do a deep dive of each of these devices. If you guys are up for that, just give a like on this video and I'll do those. And we got here a Sony remote of some sort. Looks clean. I'll see what I can do with this. Okay, on to the next. And we got some Sony headphones, which are a little bit beat up, but that's fine. And here we got the Sony Marine Pack that will house your camera underwater safely. Should be waterproof. So basically this waterproof case is new. That's good. I'll see if I can find a T1 camera on Marketplace or something. If not, I can just keep this in my Sony museum or sell it. I'm most likely just gonna keep this. Alright, next. Another pair of Sony headphones. Looks like these are in better condition than the last one. And I really appreciate the notes, Malcolm. Let's continue on to the next product. And we got here a Sony Vaio, the PCG4A1L. Basically, this Sony Vaio laptop needs RAM and a power supply. This one would fit well with my E-series laptop and my Sony Vaio VGC LV150J. And up next is Sony Clee, which is Sony's PDA line. Basically, Malcolm sent me two Clees. One works and the other doesn't. I never had these before, so this will be fun. So this is the one that works, and the other one has a broken screen. Nonetheless, these are nice additions to my collection. And up next is, this is the power supply to one of those headphones they saw earlier. And here's the manual for that. Man, this takes me back. Who remembers those Sony style stores? These are the catalogs. I'm glad Malcolm kept them. And these other manuals. As I go through these Sony pamphlets, I'd like to thank Malcolm again for sending these over. And instead of going to the trash, to the e-waste. they get a second chance with me, Sony technology enthusiast. So thanks again, Malcolm, and thanks guys for watching. I'll do a deep dive for each of these products.
Stay tuned and stay Sony.